Gabriela Silang, a name that resonates with courage and resilience in Philippine history. Born in 1731, she was the first female leader of a Philippine revolution against Spanish colonial rule. After her husband Diego Silang was assassinated, Gabriela took up the mantle of leadership, rallying her people with fierce determination. She led a rebellion in the Ilocos region, skillfully navigating the complexities of warfare and politics. Gabriela was not just a warrior, she was a symbol of empowerment, challenging the norms of her time. Her strategic mind and passionate spirit inspired many, making her a legendary figure in the fight for freedom. Though her life was cut short in 1763, Gabriela Silang's legacy endures, reminding us of the strength of women in history and the ongoing struggle for justice and equality. Her story is a testament to the power of resilience and the impact one individual can have on a nation's fight for independence.